How to fix Huawei mobile phone's alarm no sound. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on sounds and vibration. Now here you can turn on your alarm sound. After turning on your alarm sound, then go back to your home screen and then click on clock. Now here you can turn on your alarms. After turning on your alarms, then open settings again and scroll down in last and click on system and updates and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.